Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic.
Dairy milk might increase the risk of breast cancer. A new study found that even moderate consumption of dairy milk can increase women's risk of breast cancer up to 80%. Researchers said that the study shows strong evidence that either dairy milk or other factor closely related to drinking dairy milk is a cause of breast cancer in women. Consuming as little as 1/4 or 1/3 cup of dairy milk per day was associated with an increased risk of breast cancer of 30%. By drinking up to 1 cup per day, the associated risk went up to 50%. And for those drinking 2 to 3 cups per day, the risk increased further to 70 to 80%. Dietary guidelines recommend 3 cups of milk per day. Researchers suggest that people should reconsider these guidelines. Dietary intakes of nearly 53,000 North American women were evaluated. They were all initially free of cancer and were followed for nearly 8 years. Researchers used various data sources including dietary intakes questionnaires, demographic data, family history of breast cancer screening, reproductive and gynecological history. By the end of the study period, there were 1057 new breast cancer cases. No clear associations were found between soy products and breast cancer. When compared to low or no milk consumption, higher intakes of dairy, calories and dairy milk were associated with greater risk of breast cancer. Researchers noted that full fat and no fat milk had minimal. A hazardous effect of dairy is consistent with a recent report suggesting that vegans experience less breast cancer than non-vegetarians. Researchers said associations between breast cancer and dairy milk might be related to the sex hormone content of dairy milk. 75% of the dairy herd is pregnant shortly after giving birth to the previous calf. This causes them to secrete higher levels of estrogen and progesterone in their milk. The resulting milk produced may contain considerable amount of such hormones. These hormones are thought to promote certain cancers. Breast cancer is a hormone responsive cancer. Intake of dairy and other animal proteins is also associated with higher blood vessels. Dairy milk does positive nutritional qualities, but these need to be balanced against other possible less helpful effects. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge and health as well. Thank you.